Alright, today we're going to do a video of a TruTech TT8500, serial number TTS-10206. Turn your grinding wheel on. That's running at about 2,000 RPM. The spindle is variable. The spindle is very, very quiet. You have here, just going to show you basic jog functions. That's your in and out. You can vary that. Then you have your up and down. Then you have a TT5000 unit here that is variable here. Speed it up, slow it down. Then you also can move your table left and right via here. The machine has a new operating system with the current TruTech software. The machine's also equipped with a coolant system. You see in the photos. The machine's presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.